KLU's Masters in International Management is your gateway to becoming a confident leader who blends visionary thinking with a hands-on practical approach. It is the perfect fit if you want to inspire teams, drive change, and lead organizations to sustainable success. With this Masters, you acquire an operations mindset which will help you tackle the business challenges of today and get things done. Join us and become the leader you want to be. Designed for ambitious individuals, this program equips you to think strategically and act sustainably, addressing global business questions with innovative solutions. Whether through guest lectures, workshops, or career events, you will benefit from KLU's strong industry network and carefully designed curriculum with an international perspective. You will dive into topics such as organizational behavior, operational leadership, and change management, all guided by experienced faculty and industry experts who know you by name and are ready to support you. After graduating, you're all set to thrive in all kinds of roles, from strategy consulting and managing worldwide operations to becoming an entrepreneur. Benefit from our network and kickstart your career in Germany and all around the world.